How to recover draft on TikTok after deleting the app. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Is there a way to recover draft on TikTok after deleting the app? Well, while you were ongoing the deletion process of your application, TikTok does notify you that if you have any of the draft that is available in your account, all of the draft will be removed and in no circumstances it can be recovered. So, in terms of that, you actually agreed to it and you head over with the deletion process. Now, if you want to recover it, there is quite a challenge to do so since the notice was already available. However, it is worth a shot by reporting it. For that, you can tap on the three horizontal line and head over to Settings and Privacy. You can scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. From here, you can select on the option of Account and Profile. Then you can tap on the option of Editing Profile. So from here, just click on the other option, then tap on Need More Help. So right over here, you can type in Recover Draft, then give it a send. Now, as you can see, drafts are stored on your device only, which means draft will be deleted anytime you remove or reinstall the TikTok app. Lost draft cannot be recovered. So, as it was already notified beforehand, sadly you won't be able to recover it. Hopefully you found it informative to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.